Hi guys, I'm Marze Malchi. So in this video I want to talk about how to backup Windows 10. If you are running Windows 10, a backup Windows will help you in critical situation and you can use it to recover information, setting and programs installed on your operating system. Let's talk about the backup steps. In the first step, open the control panel, type control panel, okay. Click on system and security. On the right side of the window, select backup and restore. So at this point, click create a system image. Now, this is the question here. Where do you want to save the backup? We have a three choice: one hard disk or hard external, two DVDs, three memory on the network. Okay, I suggest you connect an external hard drive to your system and save the backup version on it. So select on a hard disk and next click. In the next part, we have to choose our drive, select drive, then next select. Okay. At the last step is to click on the start backup. Start backup. Remember to have enough free space to backup. We have to wait for the system to do the backup. Thank you. Don't forget like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment for me. Thank you. Bye.